Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to transfer videos from computer to iPhone. So let's go to the browser first. Then you have to write here snapdrop.net, and then you are on the iPhone. You have to go to the Snapdrop website and open it. After open it, you can see here that the iPhone is already showing here. You have to click on that and choose the video you want to send, like this video I'm gonna send right now. This one, click on open. It has been sent to that iPhone. You have to just open up your iPhone and you have to accept this. Okay, after click on accept, it will be downloaded in your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.